What's up, YouTube? Hey, I'm just gonna get straight to the point on this, alright? I'm gonna tell you why I do what I do on this channel. Why I'm always trying to motivate and show people how to start a business, carpet cleaning business in specific. The reason why I do it is because nobody did it for me. And I realized if I was just being shown something earlier in my life, like this, just the process, just the instructions, this formula to make a living for myself and stop working for other people, man, my life would have been so different at an early age, you know. I started out a little bit late, but you know what? That's good for you. So what I do here on this channel is just kind of show you what I do every single day. I mean, we're talking details, we're talking chemistry, you know, we're talking process and motivation, because you know what? There's so much negativity going on in this world nowadays, and motivation and the wrong thing seems to be really, really trendy. And I'm trying to reverse that trend into positivity and to actually, you know, giving hope, okay? I'm pushing hope. Yeah, sounds corny. I don't care. I'm pushing hope. And for those that need to hear it, are going to get it, and they're going to appreciate it. Other people, I'm not caring. My friend used to come up with a shirt like that called Not Caring. I thought it was a good idea back then, but nobody ever did nothing with it. See, that's what another thing, guys, is people do a lot of dreaming and talking, but they never take a step forward. They never take that first step because it's a dream. Yes, we need dreams. We need to be dreamers. And we have to be dreamers. You know, everything that's ever created in life that you can see, touch, or hear that is man-made was dreamt about first, was envisioned in their mind, and then somebody actually made it happen, made it a reality, right? So you know, if you're dreaming on being self-employed and no longer working for maybe a company that you've been working for years and years and years, and feel underappreciated and actually realize that they're dictating your lifestyle, right? They top you out. You know, they're not going to give you all the money. It's not an unlimited amount of money that they're going to be giving you. So you, at some point, are going to realize either you're going to content in that lifestyle, content in just staying how you are, and there are some people that are like that. Many people that are like that. They don't want the responsibility of owning a business and this and that. They're just content with going to work, you know, and they got all their need, and that's it, right? But this isn't for them. This is for the people that are unsettled, people that, you know, have that desire they want more. And some people go through their whole life wanting more, but never get more, because they just don't think they have that opportunity. I used to literally think that everybody else that was successful that I seen, it was just the way their life was supposed to be. And my life wasn't supposed to be shit. That's the way I literally felt, because every time I started something, it would fall apart no matter what it was, right? And it wasn't that. It was because I just didn't realize that all I need to do is just start copying what other people do. And once that clicked, once I figured out, you know what, I just gotta copy what successful people are doing. Copy it. And then I can be successful like them. And I started many things, right? And it didn't work out, but it got me stronger every time. And when I finally I actually decided to start a carpet cleaning business. Simple, just carpet cleaning. I started watching other people and copying what they do. YouTube, on there, learning, studying. You know, I did carpet cleaning growing up through my life, but it was literally horrible 80s chemistry and technique. So I started learning on other people and learning their business model and just copying them, because I've seen them become successful. So why not me, right? And it worked. Look at me, I'm 6 years later. I've got my business is doing great, making over six figures, and I'm definitely surprising myself every day at what I accomplished. I got a school. I teach people how to start a carpet cleaning business, as well as here on this channel. So if you like this entrepreneurs type of stuff and you're tired of working for other people and you want to finally start something for yourself, like a side hustle, man, I'm here to motivate you. All right, so make sure you just subscribe to this and like to this, and make sure that you know exactly what you want, envision what you want. And it's crazy how doors start opening up for you. Tell nobody what you want to do. Let nobody know what you want to do. Keep it inside. Start focusing on your future and watch your life change.